Hello friends, this is class 6th Honeysuckle poem 1 A House, a Home. Today I will explain you this poem A House, a Home, and by the end of this poem you will be able to differentiate between a house and a home by knowing the meanings of both the words. Here you will know that how a house is different from a home, and here you will have to make the picture of a house and a home in your rough notebook, and thereafter we will discuss which is a house and which is a home along with the reasons. Now let's see picture 1. This is a house. Now, here I would like to ask you, is this a marvelous house? Yes, of course, this is a marvelous house in which all the facilities are available. But you can see that there is not even a single person to enjoy, to live together with the family members in the house. A house is made of bricks, stones, cements, woods, glasses, etc. But here no family member can be seen. Everything is there available to enjoy. But if there is nobody to care, to love, to share anything with you, there is no meaning of a house, whether it is marvelous, amazing or not. Now let's see next picture. Here four family members are enjoying with each other. This is a home where a house has been converted into a home by family members who live with each other with love, care, and they share everything with each other. Here, this is a home. What is a house? Now, you might have thought the meaning of house in your mind, as I have told you. A house is made up of cement, bricks, stones, wood, glasses, chimneys, etc. But if I ask you, what is a home? A home is a place where all the family members live together with love, care. They love each other. They do caring of each other. They share their things, their feelings with each other. And their all family members do unselfish acts for each other. So that is a home. Here you can see a picture where at your left hand side a house is built. Here not even a single family member is standing to enjoy, but a marvelous house is there. Everything is available there. Each and every facility is provided here. I would like to ask, if a marvelous house is there with you, there is AC, there is swimming pool, everything is there, amazing things are there, where would you like to live? In a house or in a home where your family members are there to care for you, to love you, to share their things with you, to do an unselfish acts with you? Where would you like to live? Here at your right hand side you can see a home where all the family members are living happily. So this is called a happy family, where all the family members live together in a house and they convert a house into a home. Now next, what is a house? Here its explanation, here our poem begins. What is a house? As I told you, it's bricks, stones, means a house is always made up of brick and stone, and wood that's hard. So brick and stones are used to make the structure of a house, and wood that hards. Wood means from wood we make windows, doors, some window glass, where somewhere glass is also used to make windows for window pane, and perhaps a yard. What is the meaning of yard? The ground surrounding a house. So a yard means veranda, which is there outside of your rooms of your house. So A house is made up of bricks, stones, and there are windows which are made up of wood and glasses. And perhaps means sometimes there is a yard, there is a veranda in your house. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors. Means if you have a house and there is nobody else to live with you, there will be each and every facilities available with you. It's eaves and chimneys. Eaves is the lower border of a roof that overhangs the wall. And chimneys. What is a chimney? A part of a building through which smoke rises into the outside air. And stucco and roofs and loads of doors. There is stucco. Stucco is a type of plaster used for decoration of walls. You might have seen POP, plaster of Paris, which is used to decorate the ceilings at the houses. So that is stucco. So a house can be made marvelous by eaves and chimneys, by making tile floors and stucco and roofs. Means by making decoration of POP and roofs and loads of doors. But if there will not be your family members, will you enjoy there? Of course not, because somewhere enjoyment will be missing in your life. See, what is a home? A home is always loving and family and doing for others. In your family also, if there would not be members in your house and everything would be available, definitely you would not like to live there. So what is a home? There are many family members who love each other from the bottom of their heart, and family and doing for others. In your family also, each and every member might be doing some unselfish acts for each other. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. Means if brother, sister, father, mother, they live together, they make a home. Without brother, sister, father, mother, there would not be any home. So who makes a home? Brother, sister, father and mother. So without any of the family member, a home is not a home. Somewhere something is always missing. So a home is always loving and family and doing for others. Their brothers, sisters, fathers and mothers live together happily and they do care of each other. They love each other. They do unselfish acts for each other. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. What is the meaning of unselfish acts? Unselfish acts means the acts which are being done by your parents. For example, your mother cooks for you every day. Your father earns for you and he goes out of the house to earn for you. But he doesn't ask for anything from you. Just he demands one thing, that is study. So here that is unselfish act of your father and your mother, who do every day they do everything for you, but they don't expect anything from you. That is called unselfish act. When we don't expect anything from anyone and still we do care for our loved ones. And kindly sharing. They share their thoughts, their feelings, their food, their everything with you. So there in home, each and every member does unselfish acts for each other and they share their things, their thoughts, their feelings with each other. And showing your loved ones you are always caring. Here in home, parents always show their loved ones, means their family members, that they always do care for their family members. They never take their step back when you need them. For example, when you need your parents in any of the situation, do they step back? No, of course not. They always stand first to help you out, whether you ask or not. They are always present there for the guidance they give you. They always provide you the best thing in the world that they can. So here I would like to summarize the poem by saying that a house is a structure of bricks, stones, stucco, eaves, chimneys, roofs, verandas. But if there are no family members to love each other, to care for each other, to share the things, or to do unselfish acts, there is no meaning of that marvelous building or that home, that house. But a house can be converted into a home if the family members live together happily, they care for each other, they do unselfish acts for each other, and they share their feelings, their thoughts with each other. There, a house can be converted into a home. And people generally wish to live in a home, not in a house, because whether they have facilities or not, but they should have family members with them. Now, I'll give you the homework. Your homework is to frame at least 3 to 4 questions from poem and answer the given questions as given question. Here I'll give you a question that in rough notebook. Kindly make sure that you do your work in rough notebook only. And your question is, what is the difference between a house and a home? How are you supposed to do your homework? You are supposed to write house at your left hand side and home at your right hand side. And there you are supposed to write the difference between a house and a home. I'll discuss this answer later on in next class, where I'll be giving you the solution of a house, a home poem. Thank you.